You have a million tasks. Every second, a new one arrives, and you must instantly grab the most urgent. Sorting takes too long, scanning is too slow. But there is a structure that does this in microseconds: the heap. Think a hospital emergency room. Patients arrive randomly, but the doctor always sees the most critical one next. The triage nurse does not sort everyone. She keeps the line organized so the top is always known. That is exactly what a heap does. A heap is a complete binary tree with one rule. In a min-heap, every parent is smaller than its children. In a max-heap, every parent is larger. The root always holds the extreme value. Here is the elegant trick. We do not need pointers or nodes. A heap lives inside a simple array. For any index I, the left child is at 2i plus 1, the right child is at 2i plus 2, and the parent is floor of i minus 1 over 2. The tree is virtual. The memory is flat. To insert, place the new value at the end of the array. Then bubble it up. Compare it with its parent. If it is smaller, swap. Repeat until the heap property holds. This is called sift-up. The cost is logarithmic because you only climb the height of the tree. Extracting the minimum is where it gets clear. Take the root. That is your answer. But now there is a hole. So move the last element to the top and sift it down. At each step, swap with the smaller child. Again, logarithmic work. To build a heap from an unsorted array, do not insert one by one. That would be n log n. Instead, start from the last non-leaf node and sift down each element. Most nodes live near the bottom, where repair work is tiny. That is why build heap runs in linear time. One operation textbooks mention but tutorials often skip is deleting an arbitrary key. The trick is sneaky. First, decrease that key to a value guaranteed to beat every parent comparison. That forces it up to the root. Then perform extract min. In a max heap, you do the mirror image, increase the key, then remove the root. 2 logarithmic repairs. Still O of log n. Now for heap sort. To sort in ascending order, first build a max heap so the largest value sits at the root. Swap that root with the last unsorted position, shrink the heap boundary, and sift down the new root. Repeat. The sorted suffix grows from right to left. The runtime is O of n log n, and the extra memory is constant. A fixed size heap solves top k elegantly. Suppose k is 4 and the stream never ends. Keep a min-heap of the best 4 values seen so far. If a new number is below the root, ignore it. If it is above the root, replace the root and sift down. The root becomes the visible cutoff. That changes a huge stream into O of n log k work. 2 heaps unlock the running median. A max heap stores the lower half. A min heap stores the upper half. Keep their sizes balanced so the median is either one root or the average of 2 roots. Insert into one side. Then rebalance by moving a root across if one heap gets too large. Heaps are not just about one extreme. They can cooperate. Once you see the pattern, heaps start showing up everywhere. Dijkstra and A star repeatedly pull the next best frontier node. KV merge asks which file has the smallest current head. Event simulators pop the next timestamp. SGDers pop the next job. A heap is what you reach for whenever the real question is not sort everything but tell me what matters next. A heap is not just a data structure. It is a discipline. Keep the extreme on top and everything else falls into place. Thank you for watching.